हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आई होप यू गाइस आर फाइन। और हम जा रहे हैं पचमढ़ी स्टेकेशन के लिए। सो वी बुक्ड एंड ट्रैवलर, उसमें बहुत सारे हमारे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स थे एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज अ पंजाबी ट्रिप। सो हमने जाते सबसे पहले खाना खाया और डांस किया बहुत सारा, एंड देन आफ्टर 4 to 5 hours वी रीच्ड आवर रिजॉर्ट एंड we got our welcome drinks. This was panna, so refreshing, and it was so hot there, like oh my god. But the view from the resort was so pretty. It was totally based on like the village life and all, and it was in the middle of the forest, so it was really aesthetic.
Let me give you a room tour. We are staying in room 107. So come along. And oh my god, that's so pretty. The whole property is like based on tribal and village life. So that's why it's like really vintage and cutesy and aesthetic. Wow, so pretty. Now we're gonna have lunch and then wow, the bed is so soft. Now we're gonna have lunch and then I'll meet you again, guys.
फिर हमने किया लंच एंड इट वाज सो टेस्टी. आई हैड लाइक 5 glasses ऑफ बटर मिल्क. और फिर हमने थोड़ा टाइम रेस्ट किया एंड शाम को वी वेंट आउट टू सी द सनसेट एंड ऑल्सो वी विजिटेड पचमढ़ी हाट बाज़ार. वहाँ पर ये एक सवेनियर शॉप थी जहाँ पर साड़ीज़ एंड कुर्तीज़ एंड स्टफ़ मिलता था, तो हमने वो देखा. उसके बाद हम एक पार्क में गए, हमने वहाँ पे बहुत मस्ती की एंड ऑल्सो वी सॉ लाइव म्यूज़िक देयर. फिर वहाँ पे हैंडीक्राफ्ट की शॉप थी, वहाँ पे हमने सामान देखा एंड आई गॉट दिस पेंसिल फ्रॉम देयर, वाज वेरी क्यूटसी. रिजॉर्ट में आते सबसे पहले हमने स्विमिंग की बिकॉज इट वाज सो हॉट आउटसाइड एंड इट वाज रियली रिफ्रेशिंग टू टेक अ डिप. और उसके बाद फिर हमने स्नैक्स खाए एंड देन वी हैड डिनर. Then there was snooker table, table tennis and carom board and a DJ in this entertainment room. So we played like all night in this room and had so much fun. Next day we woke up and went straight to the pool without even breakfast, and then we got up ready and then we went to this viewpoint which was in the resort, and you could literally see every corner of the forest, and there was like so pretty. I can't even explain. I wish we had came here in monsoon season, then it would have been more lush green, but it was still pretty and windy. Then in the evening we went to see the Jatashankar caves, and it was the sunset time, so the view was really pretty. Like you could see the sun going down behind the mountains, so pretty. We had to walk up like 1 kilometer to see the caves and the temple. Then we saw this rock which was naturally carved in the shape of Ganesh ji. Then we saw another souvenir shop which was MP Handloom. There was very cutesy keychains.
Make a dinosaur.
Then while coming back to Jabalpur, we saw these handicraft stalls and we got pakkis and baskets from there. If you want to see them, go check out my vlog.